Hello, English learners. Let's explore 100 essential English verbs. English verbs for movement and travel. Walk, to move using your legs. I walk to school. Run, to move very quickly on foot. He runs in the park. Jump, to push yourself into the air. The cat jumps on the table. Climb, to go up something. We climb the hill. Carry, to hold something and take it somewhere. She carries the bags. Throw, to send something through the air. He throws the ball. Catch, to get something that was thrown. I catch the ball. Push, to use force to move something away. Please push the door. Pull, to use force to bring something closer. He pulls the rope. Lift, to raise something up. Can you lift this box? Stroll, to walk in a relaxed way. They stroll by the river. Dash, to run or go somewhere very quickly. I must dash to the bus. Leap, to jump a long way or high. The frog leaps into the water. Ascend, to go up. The plane ascends quickly. Descend, to go down. The path descends to the valley. Transport, to carry things from one place to another. Trucks transport food. Hurl, to throw something with great force. He hurled the rock. Propels, to push or drive something forward. The engine propels the boat. Tug, to pull something hard. The child tugs her hand. Hoist, to lift something heavy, often with equipment. They hoist the sail. English verbs for communication and interaction. Say, to speak words. She says, hello. Tell, to give information to someone. He tells me a story. Talk, to have a conversation. We talk on the phone. Ask, to say a question. I ask the teacher for help. Answer, to reply to a question. Please answer the question. Explain, to make something clear. Can you explain the rule? Promise, to say you will definitely do something. I promise to be good. Suggest, to give an idea. He suggests a new restaurant. Agree, to have the same opinion. They agree with me. Refuse, to say you will not do something. She refuses to go. Utter, to say something, a single word or sound. He did not utter a word. Inform, to tell someone something formally. The letter informs us of the change. Converse, to have a formal conversation. They converse for hours. Inquire, to ask for information. I will inquire about the price. Respond, to give a formal answer or reaction. The company responded quickly. Clarify, to make something clear by explaining further. Could you clarify your point? Vow, to make a serious promise. She vows to tell the truth. Propose, to suggest a plan formally. I propose we start early. Concur, to agree formally. The judges concur with the decision. Decline, to politely refuse. I decline the invitation. English verbs for thinking and understanding. Think, to have an opinion or use your mind. I think it's a good idea. Know, to have information or understanding. She knows the answer. Understand, to know the meaning of something. Do you understand the lesson? Remember, to keep something in your mind. I remember your name. Forget, to not remember. He forgets his keys. Learn, to get new knowledge. We learn English. Decide, to make a choice. They decide to leave. Consider, to think about something carefully. Please consider my offer. Believe, to think something is true. I believe you. Guess, to give an answer without knowing. Can you guess the number? Ponder, to think about something deeply. He ponders the problem. Comprehend, to understand something completely. It's hard to comprehend. Recognize, to know someone or something you have seen before. I recognize that song. Recall, to bring a memory back to your mind. I cannot recall the date. Grasp, to understand something. She quickly grasps the concept. Determine, to decide something officially after investigation. The test will determine your level. Contemplate, to think deeply about something for a long time. She contemplates her future. Assume, to believe something is true without proof. I assume you are tired. Estimate, to make a careful guess about an amount. Can you estimate the cost? Deduce, to reach a conclusion using logic. From the clues, I deduce the answer. English verbs for change, creation, and destruction. Make, to create or produce. She makes a cake. Do, to perform an action. I do my homework. Create, to make something new. He creates art. Build, to make a structure. They build a house. Change, to become different. The weather changes. Break, to separate into pieces. The glass breaks. Fix, to repair something. He fixes the car. Clean, to make something tidy. I clean my room. Develop, to grow or cause to grow. The city develops quickly. Improve, to make something better. You must improve your skills. Construct, to build something large and complex. They will construct a bridge. Fabricate, to invent or make something, often to deceive. He fabricated the story. Generate, to produce or create something, like power or ideas. The machine generates electricity. Transform, to change completely. The renovation transforms the house. Shatter, to break suddenly into many pieces. The window shattered. Mend, to repair something that is torn or broken. She mends the shirt. Purify, to make something clean and pure. The filter purifies the water. Evolve, to develop gradually. Technology evolves rapidly. Enhance, to improve the quality of something. The salt enhances the flavor. Demolish, to completely destroy a building. They will demolish the old factory. English Verbs 4. Emotions and sensations. Feel, to experience an emotion or sensation. I feel happy. Like, to find something pleasant. She likes chocolate. Love, to like something very much. He loves his family. Hate, to dislike something very much. I hate lies. Want, to desire something. They want a new car. Need, to require something essential. You need water to live. Hope, to want something to happen. I hope you feel better. Fear, to be afraid of something. Many people fear spiders. Enjoy, to like an activity. We enjoy swimming. Sense, to feel or be aware of something. I sense a problem. Adore, to love and admire deeply. She adores her grandmother. Despise, to feel a strong dislike for something. He despises cruelty. Desire, to want something strongly. He desires success. Require, to need something officially. This job requires patience. Anticipate, to expect something and prepare for it. We anticipate a good result. Dread, to fear something that will happen. I dread the exam. Relish, to enjoy and experience greatly. He relishes the challenge. Astonish, to surprise someone very greatly. The magic trick astonishes the audience. Loathe, to feel intense dislike or disgust. She loathes cold weather.